Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Dice Paul, and thank you so much for all your likes, comment, share, and subscribe my channel. If you're a new viewer, go to our channel, watch all the videos, and if you're liking it, hit that subscribe button and bell icon so that you can see my video first. So without wasting time, let's start off with today's topic. So if you see, the market is crashing with a lot of reasons. If you see, and this is not a new situation. This is a common situation in the market. One final day the market will crash and market will fall, and after some days the market will correct itself. So this is a routine practice of the market. So it's not something new, but considering in this particular situation, considering the US market which fell, and considering the rupee and all other trades with China and all other markets, Asian markets, due to these factors, yes, the market is into the bearish side and the market is falling, and it has already reached 10,200. So will that affect a intraday trader? First of all, let me tell you, there are two factors. If you are an intraday trader or you are a positional trader or short-term trader. So for the ones who have invested for a longer time, or investor who has invested in a particular stock, positional trading, so definitely it will hit him because he has invested in one particular spot. And if you see, most of the stocks fell, and many stocks fell 50% out of it. So a lot of people would have lost their profit, whatever they gain in 1 year, they would have lost all that. Maybe 1, 2, 3 years, they have lost all that in one single day, or maybe in a week, or within this month. So that is mainly on the long-term traders and positional traders. But in case of intraday traders, it will not affect you because you are trading on a daily basis, and whether the market goes up, whether the market falls down, market crashes, market corrects itself, booms up, there is nothing for intraday traders. Intraday traders will trade only for that particular day, and they take advantage of the stock movement. If the stock is going forward, that is the buy side, you buy. If it's going towards sell side, you sell. You take advantage of the movement and you make your profits or you make your losses. That is intraday traders. But for definitely, if you are one who have invested in a stock for a longer term of positional trading, definitely it will impact you. You need to be worried. But if you are an intraday day trader, it will not affect you. It should not affect you because there is no sentiment with any particular stock. So by understanding intraday traders, still I would like to tell the advantages and disadvantage of an intraday trader during a market crash. When I say market crash, the market is falling 1,000 points and we do not know how much it's going to fall down or how much it's going to go up. But as an intraday trader, we have two advantages to it. One is that we have not invested for a longer term of positional trading, as I told you already. So if let the market fall 1,000 points or 2,000 points, or let the market go 1,000 points above, doesn't matter for us. For us, it is a day trading, and we are going to take advantage of that particular day, and whichever stock is trending, we consider that particular stock. Tomorrow we are not going to see what is the stock's condition. So we will next see the next trending stock. That's the one advantage of intraday trading. And the second advantage of intraday trading is during these market crash or during this market fall, you can make a lot of money because the stock falls 5%, 10%. You get a lot of volatility and you can make a lot of money during this particular time. So if you are trading with leverage of 10 times, beginners should not be using leverage. Always, as I always tell you, use one quantity and practice for 1 year. That is when you get an idea. So, but if you are using a leverage, if you're a trader who's using a leverage already, then definitely getting 10% on a stock and 10% leverage will give you 100% on your capital. So that is one advantage for the intraday traders during this time period. A lot of intraday traders, what they do, as soon as you see market is red, stocks are falling, you take advantage and you do short sell. You sell the stock for 100 rupees and you buy the stock at 90 rupees. I'm just giving an example of what you do short. So that's how people take advantage and make a lot of money during this particular time. It's like a golden moment for the intraday traders when the market is falling, when the volatility is more. That is when you get the movements and you take advantage of the movement. But if you're a beginner, you get trapped between these movements. So I'm just telling you, this is just an idea. So these are the two advantages as an intraday trader, but we have a disadvantage. I will tell you two disadvantages as an intraday trader also. So as you know, the stock volatility, the stock goes up and down and up and down. So during this going up and down, a lot of people get trapped between this. A lot of people do not exit. Within seconds, the stock which is going up will fall down in one single candle. So a lot of beginners, a lot of people who are taken a position, for example, buy, and the stock will start falling down. So you cannot predict, and you cannot question why it is falling, why it got corrected. It was a falling stock, it was a top loser, why it went back again. You can ask all these questions. So during this period, it is really dangerous, and I would suggest a lot of beginners who are watching this my channel, please do not trade. This is what I advise for most of our people also. If you're a beginner and you're not experienced such things, then do not try during these days. If you see the market has fallen, you see a lot of news on money control and any other apps which you use, stay away on that particular day. But you can still open your graphs and have an observation of these charts and a stock, and observe what happens on that particular day. That will give you more practice, because without having experience, if you go into these type of days, what will happen, you get trapped. A stock which is falling, you try to sell that stock, and the stock after a certain point will start going up, and you will think, okay, I'm into losses, and you'll sell and you'll exit your position. Again the stock will fall down, so you get trapped in this particular position. What will happen, the stock will not go anywhere, it will just go 2-3% up, 2-3% down, 2-3% up, 2-3% down. But in this gap, you will go opposite, and you can lose your 100% capital. And also, as I tell you, the volatility is high. As the advantage we have, if the stock goes 10% with 100%, 10% leverage and 10% stock movement. Same way, if you make a loss, 10% stock movement, 100% is wiped out, right? You cannot wait for that particular day. And these are the days when the stock will be highly volatile. You may think, okay, it may go against me. How much? 1% stop loss it can go? No, the stock can go against you 10% also. There are stocks which goes 15% for your day. So you cannot say how much it can move on that particular day. And during that period, if it goes opposite to your direction, if it goes with your direction, well and great, you can make 100, 200, 300, 500%. But by losing, you can lose only 100%, because whatever capital is there, when it goes to 10% down, if you're leveraged 10 times, your account is wiped out. So this particular day, you should be very careful with these advantage and these disadvantage. So as a beginner, what you can do is wait. Do not. We have a lot of days to trade. We have a lot of time to trade. So there is no rule that we have to trade every day, because we are intraday traders. So there are a lot of intraday trades, and it's not positional trade that if I take a position here after 1 month or 5 months or 2 years, I will get a profit. No. So if you want to take a position, you want to trade, you can trade tomorrow also, day after tomorrow also. So don't get attracted with this market moving a big movement, because it's already moved. A lot of people try to sell, and the stock and the market recovers a little bit, and you make losses with your stop loss. So beginners, stay away from such market. Okay, observe this, observe 1 year, 2 year, 3 years, you will get a lot of ideas. There are a lot of ideas which we can do, and a lot of advantage we can take out of the small movements, out of this big movements. You can make advantage of small movements, but that will come only by a practice and discipline, because you get panicked when the stock moves, spikes up and spikes down. So beginners, be very careful during this particular period. Do not put your money, because all your hard work, all your good days will go off within one single day, and it will wipe out all your profit or whatever investment or capital you have. But any day, as I tell you, you can keep observing the market and you can learn a lot. So do not take leverage. And if you see, Upstock and Zerodha had blocked their bracket order and cover order, because they know that the stock's volatility is going to high, and 10% or 8% movement of the stock can wipe out all your account considering the leverage. So as I always tell you, stay safe, trade safe, and also practice, do a lot of paper trading during this particular period. Do paper trading, observe the market, take advantage of the movement. If you are a new beginner, or do not think that, okay, I'll make a lot of money by shorting and all, be very careful for what examples I told you. So anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit that subscribe button and also hit that like button. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.